I'm too young to feel this old, but I feel it anyway. My attitude makes everything confusing, and I think I need a woman to help me. I'm as sore as a horse tits after dealing with a customer who was breastfed too long. I can't move properly anymore. My muscles and bones trip in a standstill, tightening up most steps. My wisdom surpasses experiences because I paid too close attention when I wasn't ready to understand anything. That has led me to who I am. My confusion surpasses dickishness because staying aloof means I already understand everything. I'm just young enough to be confused, and it can be accepted for now. I've always been confused, being accepted by the old and ignored by fellow youth for the most part, for contemplating nothing different, just from a different perspective. Age and maturity are almost never in sync. That's my problem. Dealing with the devoted ones versus those distracted, knowing one has felt that pain before and knows how to deal with it themselves. I compare your experience to mine, or maybe the other way around, detailing how we see the same pain, outweighing them back and forth like two equally fat kids on a seesaw. Some habits of ours never die, though. Everyone in this room knows I could never